Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Temu affiliate program and start earning money. It's super easy, but make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. So first, you'll need to have a Temu account. So open your Temu app and then tap on the U tab at the bottom of the screen. Once you've done that, tap the setting icon on the upper right corner. Then select country and region. Make sure your country is set to United States. And if not, just scroll down until you find the United States. And after that, your currency should show as USD. Once that's set, exit the app and open Google or Safari. And in the search bar, type in Temu Affiliate Program and click on the first results that says Affiliate Program. You'll be taken to the affiliate login page, and since you're already signed into your Temu account, you'll be automatically be connected. So here how it works. You earn $5 for every person who downloads the Temu app using your unique referral link, plus a 20% commission on their first order. Once you're in, you can start promoting your link and earning right away.